Hi friends, this is Excel Guru and this query is a interview question. Now, I already posted to pick it out fifth alphabet in a range by using Power Query. Now, I am showing with Excel 2010 function. Here is the screen, guys. Okay, before going to start, I will show you the output. If I change 2 to 1, so first alphabet is W. If I change from 2 to 1, it will change W. If I change 2 or 3, it has to show B. No, you got it. Now, I will show you with the function. That to Excel 2010. First of all, I think how many people know ASCII? ASCII, ASCII. That is 65 to 90. You'll get all alphabets. Okay. Is equal to cat, pick it out this number, enter. Just see. Okay. This is the important thing. You have to use this in function. See how I will use this thing in function. Is equal to row of indirect. Right. 65. Start with 65. 90. Now it will show you all 65 to 90. F9. Right. Observe clearly this one. Right. Now, what I'll do means here, I use cat function. Now, these numbers will convert into alphabets. Done. And now what I'll do means I will match these function, these A to Z lookup value in this. It's an array function. Still, you have to do control backspace. Still here. Okay. Comma 0 exact match. Here it will show you some errors and some numbers. Numbers means the position where it is available. F9. The numbers and any errors. And we have to remove these errors by using one function, that is if error. If you find any error in this function, show me the blank. F9. It will remove all errors and it will keep all the blanks. Understood? Now, from here you have to use small. Here observe guys, small, simplest formula. Okay. I need smallest of which? 3. Among in this series, I want third smallest. Here array is there, F9. The third smallest means it is not sorted. 3, 5, 9. Sorry, 3, 5, 6. So 6 is the third smallest. It will pick up 6. Okay. I press enter. See. It's an array function. Now, simply use index. It's very, very simplest formula. Control backspace to jump back to the formula, comma. Here also close parenthesis. K. The third one is K, it is showing. Why it is showing somewhere went wrong here? Wait a minute. F2. 65 to 90, all letters. 20, 28 to, you see, A6. From A6 I took. Here A2. Okay. B. No. Just taking from here. For that reason, showing The third estimate is T only. 1, 2, 3. But it's not dynamic. We have to make it dynamic by, instead of here, the K value, we have to pick up this one. Enters. Whenever we change here to 1 W, 2 R, 4 T, understood? I hope you understand. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in comment box or in my WhatsApp group. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. Jai Shri Ram.